basically tells us that women still face brutality everywhere in this world. This means there is a lot of work that we have to do. I'm from Palestine, and when I look at those, films and I listen to the different experiences, we have to do something very important. In Palestine, women not only suffer from the patriarchal society, but also suffer from the illegal occupation, colonial suppression. Women in Palestine suffer from a compound violations of rights. They suffer from a systematic violence that has been integrated for the last 76 years through the illegal Israeli colonial occupation. And this is something that we have to really start working on, because once you address the root causes of violence to women, then you are basically finding the solutions. If we go back again to the movies, we have seen that each of the victims, their parents or their friends, they didn't stop searching for the violators and taking them to court and getting them evicted for what they have done. And this is what we call all the international world, all the international communities. Please stand in solidarity with the word of truth and justice in Palestine. Women need your support. We are in the highest time of support for the Palestinians. We're talking about 60,000 Palestinians who have been brutally killed through the current genocide in Palestine and Gaza, and now moving to the West Bank. We are talking about 70% of those people killed, they were women and children. We're talking about innocent people killed. And what happened? The international community failed us. Why? Because we're not being looked upon as first-class citizens, or at least looked as normal human beings. All what we want is treat us in equality. Violence will create more violence. What we want is to end violence by holding the criminals accountable and by implementing the international laws. What we want is to ensure that justice is there. We have seen that the solidarity, the awareness, the movement, standing with sisterhood, with the women who are victims and violated, this is very important. But also we need to ensure that we are also implementing laws. In Palestine, we have been fighting as a women organization within the women movement in Palestine to enforce the family protection law from violence. This is among the Palestinian level, on the national level, because we ensure that once the criminal, the violator, is criminalized, his actions are criminalized, then we know that violators will not let go, they will be punished, and they have to be criminalized. And this is what we see. We need to have justice, we need to have laws, we need to have protection mechanisms, we need to make sure that whoever commits crimes against women or violence against women, they need to be criminalized. And this is what we want, and this is why we are here in the CSW. We want to make sure that the laws, that the systems support this, and we call upon the international community to put pressure on enforcing the implementation of the International Court of Justice to hold the illegal Israeli occupation accountable for all the violations that they have been doing against not only women, but each and every single person in this world. We need a unified world that speak the word of truth. We need all of us to be united under the name of humanity and justice and equality. And this is what we want in Palestine. We are seekers of peace, we're seekers of equality, we are seekers of justice, and this is what we want. We want to live as normal people in this world. Me as a mother, I want to exercise my motherhood. I want in the morning, when I wake up in the morning, each and every mother, if you ask her, what do you want to see in the future of your sons or your daughters? They say, I want to see my daughter a lawyer, I want her to see an engineer or a doctor. You know what you want to be as a mother? If you go now to Palestine and ask the mothers, what do you want to see in your children? They say, I want them to be safe. I want them to come back home safe, not being harassed, not being killed, not being stopped at checkpoint and arrested and brutally beaten. This is what we want. This is our dream. This is what mothers dream in Palestine, is to make sure that their families, that their sons and daughters are being protected. And this is what we want you. We want us and everyone to be protected under the international law. This is what we want. Thank you. We don't want to talk too much, but this is the reality. Freedom to all the free people of this world. Freedom to humanity. Freedom to Palestine. Freedom to women. Thank you.